I would like to narrate a small incident wherein Swami told a very beautiful insight regarding singing of bhajan. This was in a very close interview session which happened in a one-to-one session between my classmate and Swami inside interview room. And Swami had told that every bhajan, whenever you sing, let it come from the depth of your heart, let it reverberate in everyone's heart, and have the feeling that you are singing for Swami. And I pray to Swami sincerely that let us all be blessed with this pure temperament and pure bhav which Swami expects each and every one of us to have while singing the bhajan. I would like to end by singing a very small bhajan which reflects this sentiment. Sada nirantara Hari gun gao, प्रेम भक्ति से भजन सुनाओ, सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ. साईनाथ के चरणों में आओ, मन मंदिर में दीप जलाओ, जीवन नैया पार लगाओ, जीवन नैया पार लगाओ. सदा निरंतर हरि गुण गाओ. साई राम.